It's jandam there, it should not slide. The moment of a more space, yeah, and I say you have more space, no. That is how they are built. And I'm talking about the MPP.
Okay.
I'm not going to sit here and I'm in my own say the make a party for the MPP. My show my boys a surprise me guno. I will nullify it. 2028 me guno. Me catch on say enter Asante region, I will take power from there. Otu for say to na chanche hina ba me do. We worry themselves right now about transition. They should deliver. When they deliver, transition will be easy for them. Let's get to the river. John Mahaman do 7 months, on do 8 months.
I feel next month.
Inti kaja bi nyim kranko nyanwo. Inti say gidigidi na dey. Untumi si school. NDC for statistics schools no mujao.
Okay.
Untumi si regional hospital. NDC for about they have opened it up. Media budget, more roads are going to be constructed. They have done it before. It is also chemi. The opposite obeye meet me jina hakasa mo.
Okay.
Other for myself to nasi bio. No one himself to nasi say dear. Nay and some way trip gunkwana with the bro. And che bian yet say Kelvin Taylor, or Baby Pimo a ye gun and memoir. Now over yenu, and same be brain trouble a social media you so. Ebi say I was sanky a chimney tomb. Ebi so say was sanky a dinner court. A son say, Bebre say, and I'm so ye NDC nintin or buy a ye mahama on can sim biano. Now wait, and no one no one can start to no 2 day, and same be brababa tuja. I won't allow copy my golden FM. Nasi said the Kelvin Taylor said, MPP, Emma Power be muda. MPP, Omuma Power be. Now, can send be brave, no watch the man. And Kelvin Taylor prayer when your president, or Bessadi, or Ghana. I'm not what did it in Penfobi Bratem. Yevaja to Musana, and ye sada. Now, so, or Kosua can send be brave. Was it MPP for? MPP for ya control. Na se yaka se side ya kuma mom de bibie do machia. MPP for fa yenkosi baby anti se de ye ka omu tu jakra. Omu ma just say from akra mom from. Enti odofo yenkonye nkoti nsema ye Kelvin Taylor e de tu da na Syria. Ye de aka nyina bebe.
Okay.
Edi ebi ere aba okay so ada kwesi Emmanuel Francis fantastic Kevin. Danny Timin say KT more fire. Then Marcus Arthur say 1.9k already. Say I got 2.1. Eti also the other about then okay. Adebim there but Kevin is here. Wow. Said I can't balance in 1
Yeah.
Also then there was Serenity McCarthy and so say hey Kevin, I love you like Fanta.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. I can also see Citizen Kujo KT, welcome, and GLC City Builders. Thank you very much. Veronica Autry is also live here. Where is you see? Move forward. Tony Echo Mills. Kujo Sheldon Dabi. We are talking about national issues, important issues.
Yes.
Nyoma you see, Ransford. Yembreki Kakrawo. Comment no.
Yembreki. Okay.
Ayana, people are distracted a little bit, and. We have to be focused.
And
everybody wants to be like you.
That's true.
And what you need to understand and say, and at this point, me a call. There's no need for me to argue with anybody.
Okay.
My job is to protect the president, protect the government, to help Ghanaians.
Okay.
If you think you can bring the MPP to power, do your best and bring the MPP to power.
Okay.
However we do it, any problem. If you don't like my style, it is my problem. If you think you have the best style, use that to bring your party to power. So with us, we are not in competition with anybody. You're Mourinho, you're Lodi, you're body defense, no. Ona we here goes no to qualify.
Yeah.
It proved to spectators, no. Anyway, our team say you can do something. Me, I keep telling you, don't be distracted by things people say. But so be sure and say. Obe misinformia, obe disinformia. Don't let it slide. Okay. I will not let it slide.
Okay.
In fact, I don't have control over your editorial team. But me accord unless I don't see the jandam, I'll kill it.
The panel kasemne in the mono.
From 1992, ABC 2016.
Yes.
The Germany call bedu this point.
That's true.
And a man for you, every man be normal. You chantro, nenye normal.
Yeah.
obi to me can't some to president so no facts. Obi to me etna dem no mo kuku jandam no they are saying nipa. Today ofa bibia and I win a can we and I win a can we. As far as unkuta facts no there oh how. It's jandam no there it should not slide. The moment of more space, and I say yebe more space no. That is how they are built. And I'm talking about the MPP.
Okay.
I'm not going to sit here and I'm engineering my own say they make a party for biasem. A MPP. My show my boy is a surprise me guno. I will nullify it. 2028 me guno. Me catch on say enter Asante region, I will take power from there. Otu for say to Nana Chanchen hina ba me do. Nana domi. And I'm so da Asante mine.
No.
Yes. Me gu MPP no. Me ne wo ene omo adwene eye adwuma omo kan okre e be gu no.
Gu party no.
Ade ba ko pere de betum de gu no. The facts.
Okay.
Protect the government with the facts.
Okay.
So person the MPP ba for facts no for bra.
Okay.
E born na ma share MPP for 2028 the party will go in exile. Omo ba biem.
But what is about me I say obi one will be contesting no. I am not the power man no. Enti the fact that on President Mahama contested last year elections, 2028 in a automatic. Say Mahama will hand over power.
2020, Mahama did not lose by 1.8 million votes.
I know there.
So nobody can sit and weigh their destiny on fan compare Mahama. No, it doesn't work in that way.
I see.
In 2020, can you say Mahama contested 2020 and will lose until 2028 to be winning? No. Mahama, check Mahama's numbers in 2020.
Yes.
Technically, Mahama won the elections. We all know. In the South Person, yes, our comparison now, check it. The number of people who rejected Bawumia and the number of people who rejected John Mahama in
2016.
2016.
Yes.
Now, Yambra Bedu 2020, how many people rejected Mahama? So the numbers kept dwindling. 2024, the gap is wide. So that argument there. Now, when I saw Omenya flag bearer there, flag bearer knew.
Okay, Mami for we soon. One of the strong argument or strongest argument Omo can say the NDC will be presenting a new candidate which gives them the opportunity to also sail through.
Yeah. It will give them the opportunity.
Yeah,
because NDC is powerful for
but terrain no.
But the NDC as a political party has principles they are working within.
I know there.
John Mahama is the president of Ghana. John Mahama will be campaigning with Obia NDC for whom he said I was Orani.
Okay.
The NDC will be campaigning on John Mahama's record. Ghanaians are not going to be looking at individuals. Ghanaians are looking at the work you did for them. And he said, John Mahama, Mobwa John Mahama na Oye Jumana. It does not matter who represents the NDC. Mimpo, I'm not even looking that far.
Okay.
I'm looking at what should be done today. When what is done today is right. When people are going to the ballot, they are not thinking about who is on the ballot. No. They look at the policies that is helping them.
Okay.
Kwenina or taking tampono. Farmer service center abana and the or no utumi ekoji seats.
Yes.
Abain to me buana money candy fuso. The cooperative aba. I will say when you improve it or abrabono. Or per se NDC in the twaso.
Okay.
So it's not about an individual. And that is the mistake the NPP are making. Right now, the NPP as a political party, it is about individuals. It is about Bawumia.
Okay.
It is about Kennedy.
Okay.
The NDC is not about anybody. There are so many things that happens in the NPP, NDC wins. And I said in Ketia, there are so many things I want to mean here or NDC. It should tell you the party is not about individuals.
Yes.
And to me, I'm not worried about who succeeds John Mahama or who doesn't succeed John Mahama. What I'm thinking about now, my priority is that John Mahama should deliver.
Okay.
When John Mahama delivers and we get to that point, we will cross that bridge. Anything I go Kumasi, I cross the bridge and I cross the lever. We drew her. So me, I don't care about anything now. What I care about is the 4 years. Yeah.
Policies, you know.
Yeah.
Say about reflect now reflect ye now Ghana for and what all.
That's the most important thing.
And the first
Obi enu wako jina ballot. And also wako also wako to aba.
Yes.
Oka say with them dabi ope bibi ejina so. Anything that we saw the change in 2024,
yes.
The gap was wide. The NPP still don't understand. People are not voting because where you are because of where you are coming from, the tribe you are coming from, the religion you are part of. People are voting because they see something in you.
Yes.
And when I say I see something in Ransford, it is consistency.
Okay.
It is what you believe in.
Okay.
It is your track record. if I believe in that, anything that you will assume be brave. I me a Christian. There's something that's making me a Christian. I miss some imagine.
Okay.
We are Muslimi. Bibi nema. So the principle no you don't have a problem. Yeah, that's all. And see, I transition in the NDC for Kurano, they are not supposed to be worrying themselves right now about transition. They should deliver. When they deliver, transition will be easy for them. Let's get to the river.
Cross it.
John Mahaman do 7 months, on do 8 months.
I feel next month.
Ain't you got be in Cranko Nyangwe? Ain't you say giddy any day?
Only 2 years old, too. What was it?
Wana?
Unia.
So we got. Only 2 years old, too.
Only 2 years old, too.
Maternity.
So, yeah. 7 months.
So, but like seriously, no. I think it's a Ghana for about 2 years, no.
Yes.
Obi no also no. But so far, last we said MP before question, so me ya no. Mobile power bedding.
MPP ba power bedding.
Yeah, the power bedding.
But when you listen to them,
yeah,
they are telling us that Ghana for film. Ebio, see, I know more cotton as no. Omo realize say enema nko yenti no omo pae chawo yem fa che wom na ebi nsi
da bi na onem ne oba na te ana oba ye we so onye duane a onye
yes
oba no nyoma nkitikiti bi oso ye so oba no onye oba foforo ba ya waye ni nyina nti onja oba no be found die na wo be ye
the question is
answer wo be ye die because if you are talking about unemployment this government is putting policies in place. And I share the mid-year budget.
Yes.
When you're talking about corruption, the government is taking steps. And the you can see realistically on the ground people are fighting Galamsey. You can see it. It is a tough battle. But you can see people, their will is there. What are you talking about? Inti so person about power. Share me the opposite of the power in the bay.
And don't go on.
Inti mo bay ding. Untumi si school. NDC for statistics schools no muja.
Okay.
Ultimately, regional hospital. NDC for they have opened it up. Media budget, more roads are going to be constructed. They have done it before. It is also tremendous. The opposite of Beye met me jina hakasamo.
Okay.
It's dear na more Beye. Tell me.
Omutibichirimudia.
Tell me, Bawumio Kennedy, whoever. MPP forming platform now. Omo can't Ghana for the PCE because the GDP is doing well now.
Yeah.
Eka your reserves are good now.
Yeah.
The dollar rate is good now.
Yeah.
We are talking about free SHS, stable.
Yeah.
Kids are getting school. Basic education, it's working.
Yeah.
People are getting free tuition in the universities. People with disability are even being given free tuition. I'm talking about the first year students in universities, public universities.
Yes.
They are getting first year tuition free.
Yeah.
Now, at the end of John Mahamani and this Kaya Munya, yeah, it's MPP, then I'm a person obey.
Question,
yeah, you know, into me, many MPP for your argument. Tell me what you want to do. Then I'll pass all here. Because there's nothing here. Over to my catch and say NDC and Yintimin to Abamau.
Okay.
Minima the crow. Actually, be our cabacco check.
Okay.
And the MPP bedding. We don't need MPP again. The NDC will make mistakes. There will be scandals. The NDC will hit a block. That is human institution.
Okay.
A political party is filled with thousands of people. Your phone womb, your papa womb.
I know the
The fact of the case is the willingness to help the people. They have shown it. And we have to support them. Where we have to constructively criticize them, we criticize them. I've started on my platform to criticize the president and other people.
I know the
It does not mean say NPP NDC.
About 2 weeks ago, national security will be on my Asante region. My was name be on my never have.
You need to let them know.
Me no more goose.
That's it. And on say, and allow me to inti ding. Inti a demonstration out the letters are diplomatic inti and inti to my MPP.
And run on the see time our media budget review presentation a course no.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry. And I'm call presidency. The petition I call. The name of 2 key ones be now made them come back. One say former Kaswa but Mamano Butu. Aha. Yakuti and Ayase or Ablikuma North. Eti Omapani Embra Bontina on apology mra. Then again, they spoke about Galamsey.
Yeah.
Say still no Galamsey no cars over fight, you know.
Yeah.
And there's still 18 Ghanaians up. 18 no. Oman home so. And then also him say Galamsey there. The campaigns, you know, 8 years ago in Mkwaya.
Yeah.
Political party be the
Enti enye dey. Enti enye dey.
Enti nema mmienu na omo nante call Jubilee House one.
That's not mmienu kan and the police have done the investigation. 2 people have been arrested.
Of course.
There's a commission report. The president Ekufuado Tochune.
Yes.
I want them to start from the back. Nobody is justifying election violence. But it should start from the back to the point where Yama judges are tenase. Atna to so for hours to tell us that Brady Champon should be dealt with. Now these same people walk to Jubilee House and say, any day these are people who don't have any moral right to speak in our community, in our country. Me, Ghana for Muhu MPP for say they are a bunch of liars, jokers, comedians. Omu kasa yensri, omu leader, content creator, afenyo marking, on YouTube, TikTok, no person video call.
Oza.
Yeah, on TikTok, afenyo marking there. Waji we never for us 99 years. We issue disclaimer, maybe I'm on count, but I'm not we are not supposed to take them serious.
Yes.
Omu kasa, just listen, it's okay. But at the end of the day, what has to be done, and they say, Yatiana Fenyomaki Kobo be true assume another.
Yeah.
Has he spoken about it?
No.
Into moral right be no more. But if you can see the terrain, Ghanaians, we have moved from that jandam kind of politics. Last night Fenyomaki in the parliament, I can say Ketan MP no, the minister no, professor.
Dr. Grace Ayinsudan.
I didn't know before a year Zenato. Those are mind games. Those are mind games. Enko bibia. Ghanaians have to be focused. So far, businessmen or more Ghanaian who say there's some development. We are not supposed to be distracted. A simple thing. We share MPP ni betnaha. We say opesa mo beye den. Dia na mo beye. Inti dia ai. Inti si ayanya den. Mo pe power dia ye den. Metuma catch us ende. Me ba beko Kumasi.
Okay.
Metuma catch us ende.
Obeko Kumasi.
Me na ho. Nana piao me do. Me ba Kumasi. Bibiansi. Dabi what I'm free.
Papa bi ate one you always have video no.
Papa ben.
Papa bi US or no US or no bitia bata. What dey
US or ten.
And I just me.
Say or to US and tanyere so. Kasi baby ekutimbre ba betina so e boga. Me sanyo man me tie. Me ni Facebook page gra. Me personal Facebook me ni bi.
Personal Facebook ni.
No.
Me aka ni adwuma dey.
Into social media here tag Kelvin I boda. Me bi amba me ho. No, I'm focused. I'm doing my job. John Mahama has to succeed. NDC has to be in power for 42 years. Machechira to so.
42 years.
I mean, Shabon Payogu so. Be beyond to Mrs. Sano.
42 years.
Yes, beyond to Mrs. Sano. Me catch on say, I bet you 2 million if you Asante region. And every day I talk, and people like you, there are people behind the scenes who work so hard.
That's true.
You get it. Now, MP before you see a Jimmy. But me person me can't be seen and saying court in some because I respect the court. I respect the court 100%. The decision of the court, I respect it.
Okay.
Wherever way it had gone, Biano, I would have respected it.
Okay.
So be so a killer chairman, Nasa Ojin say Embranya Juma Ghana. Onye the Ojin say me any bini and say Embranya Juma and Embranya Juma. Okay. Yeah. Echo left to echo right to I respect the Supreme Court. That is why my court know the respect and I came to stand before it. And I told the judges I am present, Your Highness, because I respect the Constitution and I respect the Supreme Court. Inti, boss, Ghana ni achichire. Me, what I can say is, I know say I'm a for sure chairman.
Oh, then there. And there's this now. Jesus account. They be am bold in Jesus account.
And some you do ni, and I Jesus so for you.
Okay. Okay.
Inti me ana account.
And what account?
Oh yeah. Say yes. The phone number kramo. It's a complicated bia. It's a name but me assure say girls sleep some buta questions.
Okay, so one more questions with me about. Lee. Okay, so Caroline Kujo. Also no all production team in whole what all US one. One no Eddie Abase MPP is dead forever.
Yeah, let's focus.
Yes, on the question of the Abadan. Then Daniel Mark Rabi said KT is in Ghana. This is Revu. Okay. On also the
5-minute call. Air calls 5 minutes.
Yeah, calls.
Mom be the atem na nyamisha mumbra.
Okay.
Some of the messages are coming through.
Okay, so messages in the also, but your phone lines in the kakra 0302 30 0302 30 0599 922 922.
Hello. Okay.
Waba, what drop it on? Okay, check your horn.
You're trying. National Lotteries Authority (NLA) for so at this point, they are sponsors on this platform. Caution against lotto fraudsters. Management of National Lotteries (NLA) would like to caution the public not to indulge fraudsters who send messages on Facebook, WhatsApp, or other social media platforms in the name of NLA or impersonate NLA officials promising leaked winning lotto numbers in exchange for a fee. NLA does not give out leaked winning numbers and has not asked anyone or group of people. Hello, caller.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
No, I check us a free.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yo, David Agbalanyo, Manjo.
David, if one.
I'm going to follow half.
Now good. Maybe mix race into. David, go ahead.
Kelvin, that was a pa, Nyami Shirao. Debia, Assembly, to make up a meeting. Ofi Omo ye police station agent for no buying Omo Juma.
Yeah.
It is Asabro there. I say Ubo Hopa Maya. Moba Hopa Maya pa. And Omo Mufre so to say Abolo Numuno, buying no Omo Juma.
All right, thank you. Okay. All right. Hello, caller. Hello. Are we good? All right. Hello, caller. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The same person. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're from the Greater Life. The Catapult Dominican Cabri. Oh, boss you.
Yeah.
Kelvin Taylor. That our life, our radio goes.
Yeah.
Some the other show with TV shows. That's the say that you tunka ewo. Radio goes yeah, that was so ne Ajumadina Jumapa boy. Master through radio goes no other media stations no more Jumapa
Nyamisha also. All right. Okay. And Kabila Yejuma Hara for Chedichen Gears wa acquire hard. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay, friend.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Emawa Akwaba.
Yeah.
Pagana. Elios Begbese. Enya mebo abasu ejumapa oyebo ma Ghana ni NDC party or outside Ghana. Mata me follow social media. O kan kweka.
No, he's still on.
O kan kweka the whole world. Amafo who say Kelvin Taylor we ne pa bia o kan kweka odo Ghana. Ibisi o Ghana otumi kan no otumi kabi. Oni Ghana but otumi kabi. O pese Ghana ekwenim mai. Enya yanu fo we say Ghana. Kelvin Taylor, it's a President Mahama. He calls no.
That's it. Thank you. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Now, girls, away. I ran for so bad. I'm not going to in Bahana. Hello, caller. Yamisha also.
Ti se kola do kan no mo nhwe ya ye pre wo grassroots no na mo pre juma do mai
Yabeka Samamu yadase yabeka Samamu grassroots intine wa ha Yamisha so
wa ye ni na ba ke ni na.
All right, thank you. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Me bro for Barof.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Me pacho ka friend.
Kelvin.
Yes. Me pacho. Okay, go ahead.
Me pacho ti saying.
Me pacho yeah.
Hey, pacho na dia ya to kan radio go. Why I dey papa di bia ya show sao. But ne wo ma ni say. Senya wo ye djuma no amomu. Suna Juma one youth, no, I would mom a lot exactly. It's so money, Juma say, and no, Nebema 2028, no, Niama no bet me, I go fast, I'm
okay.
Because it's now you for me now, the more two it's so much be my youth. Majority of my university, Juma.
Yeah.
They are just roaming, doing everything that they could. And your man, necessarily, she won't say, encourage no na ejuma no mo emba mo na.
All right.
But
thank you very much being the first lady on the show. And I have about 2 minutes. Now, my call the other side. That Ransford will take over from here. Now, he gets Naba. Then we'll. Hello, caller.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
Oh, didn't you make a free station go on school?
I don't know, Kasa.
Oh, where do you say? When him say, and I'm on to tell my swearing, me call Independence Square.
Oh, Vintra, that's it.
I told you I said, Kelvin, about life. I train you, says, and I'm going for a day. I did be a super. Indeed, last week, you said, oh, the Aqua Court now, Supreme Court, our question. You need G. And then, me, well, baby, I mean, radio go and I'm take Kelvin live. The one I'm the to me pages say, will be a Honimbi, I won't take Kelvin live for radio good.
But that's the part. Thank you very much. Yes, so I think phone calls, and one more Facebook, so we really appreciate this. Ransford is going to take over from me. Vandy Lati say the love is deep. Thank you very much. Agbemadu says thank you. Isifu is live here. Hector is watching me live tonight. This afternoon, Abdul Rashid is live here. Catherine and so Yumbre. Nana Yao Emeka is live. Radio Go 9.5. Augustine is live on Radio Go 9.5. Lydia Agbleze is also live here. Thank you very much, Lydia, for being here tonight, this afternoon. Newton King is also live here. Ghana is moving forward, it's right. Seidu, Shaibu, Kevin, some people will be bleeding. That's a fact. Favorite son is watching me. I can also see Al Hassan Khalif Abdul live on Loud Silence, Radio Gold, all together as one family.
Questions be I'm up for the aba. Okay, we'll be sir. Oko Twitter. And it's our TikTok on
Twitter.
Misinformation.
And I'm sure be. Then I have before. What traumatizing me, pa?
Oh, alright.
It is also say why traumatized.
Alright.
Say make it can't send me. Also can't send me. Chairman, my traumatized pa. 6 months I'm in the D.
Oh,
yeah. Nana. Miniaba. Sorry. Say me can be tiawa. Where the fetch me? Nana also can be me. O catch him say me a bema. Miniatia, me be my papa. Membra Ghana, me worry crasini ba or ye got yes, say Cassa. Say you waka say tia me.
And then no cry.
In Tabia, a before son and be a meso. Me reply wa. Sibio in yini.
Yeah.
In the same way, Tia say, the course in ya. Miss Mabetia said the course in ya.
Okay.
Trauma to trauma, you to me solve a problem.
And then no cry.
And in Nanaya, so Emma make call trauma mupa.
Oh,
yeah. 3 days, nam in the day. Nana,
it almost some misinformation on Twitter and other platforms, and how you going to deal with it. And your question back, Obinzu de Abasi Mimi sounds, are you trying to set up a radio station in Ghana?
You don't necessarily need a radio station in Ghana.
Okay.
I have this. I have Radio Gold.
That's true.
I don't need a radio station. The radio stations are at your fingertip. When Ransford is live, you are live.
Yeah.
You can also watch. It's about sending information out. You don't need to go build any structure to send information out. And the media houses like the BBC, New York Times, Washington Post, they are basically doing business on phones.
Okay.
So we don't necessarily, this is good enough for me.
Okay.
When I'm in Ghana, I can be here, I can do my show.
That's true.
Or America, so I can still do my show from here.
That's true.
So we don't necessarily need a huge house. We are buying a radio, we are not even hearing about it. Misinformation and disinformation. Some message be about phone, so they can say news. First thing, someone second messenger clarify free or before for say source no. Hene free.
To be free, the most important.
Be free, the first thing.
Okay.
Well, be a screenshot. I see BB a friend Ghana today. BB
Ghana today.
Akron for Samia who could DHD. Sorry, wait the disclaimer. Any radio go neka.
Okay.
I meaning say a year Ghana. A friend saying
Ghana today.
Ghana today.
Yeah.
A young people for the shade. Boys be. And now I'm church. A tro. Nobody should take. It is sorry Ghana now show me. They be about out there for nyama. A year internet nyama. Obi sani bibi browa. Dinkai busa say a Hene free. Obi be when I say be on the o say. Check his source and the mommy.
Okay.
We didn't carry a source now and son I can watch
them.
Yeah.
Almost so by no wild and full bonfire cross.
On any wine.
Bonfire cross, almost what you have friend actually.
On any wine.
Bonfire cross, I could not.
Abu Bang.
How much on another
message for front.
Okay. Okay, message do don't know how they are body.
Okay.
And a Juma, oh yeah. Okay, so Akwana me was the video be at WhatsApp status or Aquana guys say he's on drugs, you know.
Oh, yeah, on the Mebonidi, Metro TV, Polado Moche.
I'm saying,
oh, Polado,
on some of the
Mini Bibia Macatiano, or a penny. You see, so no, near June said, no, kind of crab, but on kind of crab, you know. And the problem with Paul, and they say, or a lot of medical problems.
Oh, some.
Yeah, and see, Mamon Casantiano. Yeah, or Yaribi Bree, or Stati, yeah, Nyoma be. Diabetes, you also you're ready and fancy nipa. And I'm imagining who say I don't need to be stressing him. And you mean I maybe kunipa master there. And the poor you'll be on your fit, sir.
I see.
Yeah, apart from former exim bank owner and MCC, on who said you John Hon. Poor a lot of medical problems.
I see.
And Mama will be a man depression. Moose or yes, I didn't a drew our far. No man kitting kitty. And a man, yes, sir.
I see.
Desperation. And
okay.
Yeah.
So,
see, Paul there.
Yeah. Or say the party grassroots, no.
Yeah.
Or one year no more bonten Cobodero. Said the lady back of Freya or say a Juma Semana. Advise Bernard President Mama and then not buying.
Mr. President, it's simple as that. While buying we, you have a lot of young people. There's a reason why Wapaki are buying we with young people.
Yeah.
Then it means to say the young people who did the job are important to you, Mr. President. What we can do as media men is always draw your attention or always try to, remind the government that there were some people are more formal and The last time I was telling a friend to say, all the agencies are a young man with they have to lead this.
Okay.
They have to talk to the finance minister.
Okay.
Say, Mr. Finance Minister, we had over 40,000 young people on the streets. Omo risky omo life. Yet to aba. Mr. Finance Minister, open the budget for us to, at the end of the day, employ people. Your NHIA, your YEA, your Pablo, they need to open it up. They need to open it up. And the Finance Minister needs to listen to this. The young people out there, Sibia and Yomasasano, they are able to read through things.
Yeah.
They make judgments quickly. So you need to be very careful when you are dealing with them. The kind of goodwill Ghana for Mebunu Ewo Abanwe, we need to sustain it. Mr. President, if the budget is tight, open up the budget.
Okay.
Let the people speak. Momon Kasa, a youth in the Dubai, give them jobs. And the last time you catch confirm show so, if you're a young man, look for government opportunities.
Okay.
There's so many policies are binding about any opportunities are. We can't sit home and say Benya, the entrepreneurship program, 1 million coders program. There are a lot of them out there. Put something in there. Say, this is my card. Do it. Because at the end of the day, we are all chasing jobs. The president will do his part, the government will do his part, but when the opportunity comes, and I think that all the policies are binding with decentralizing. Every district you go, you get somebody to talk to about farmer service center, about a year 24-hour economy, about a year other things are buying yet. We need to
policies
in
the
also. So as I say, women's bank.
Yeah.
When it starts, when we say seed money be or when they start to, we need to take advantage of it. We have to take advantage of policies.
Okay.
About we kind of create about Papa About way is not about tribe. It's not about religion. It's not. I won't say your party me no Ghana. NDC a party for the people.
Yeah.
NPP a party for a coup.
It's a group of people being
it's all about Nipebi.
Okay.
Let's look at the holistic picture. Party a Ghana. A social democratic party.
Okay.
From J.J. Rawlings. Time and only Ghana for young people. A train quine. Or rural electrification program.
Okay.
Project. Or the Kania Air Kunkurasibia. Or what we call the FQ. Free compulsory universal basic education. Primary schools. Or banning at a point. Try to build some dams. You see, this is what we call governance for the people. And that is what we follow. Slowly, at Tamil's Baye. Then you saw what Atamil started. John Mahama came, expanded our education, infrastructure. That is what the government does. We are a third world country. We need to take it one at a time.
Yeah.
So a political party, and to me, from the head to the last person, and to me, explaining what review means. It's not a political party. from Hakmoro Usajman, me papa for Medo, to the last person who MPP, they cannot define what review means. That is not a party worth following. Look at somebody like Nana B. Look at somebody like Chema Untumi. Look at somebody like Baumia Elia, Kennedy Japan, taking contracts, not even delivering. These are people who are not supposed to be trusted. So let's not go back. Hey, Mama can be Chamo. Adebia Muhun is Sia or Ghana.
Yes.
Mutu about TNDC. MPP best saying na. In the end, there's our first year university.
Yeah.
Now, or sometimes from now to 42 years, 43 years, no. What about university first year government school biano untia. MPP bomb between. Free SHS on my year and then cranny dear and panel.
Yeah.
So mistake now to tia NDC. MPP bomb between. Yeah, can't the government in a year when it comes to creating opportunities. And the mid-year budget, a choir year in Ghana. MPP bomb between. We don't have to go there again. Into one thing, let's focus. Abide by mistakes is a fact.
I know there.
Abide by mistakes. Yen to me yen correct you more, yen criticize you more, but we should not change the government.
Okay.
Let's stick with them because say the na yen is 40 years and then you need to crime him.
I know there.
Yeah. But the moment you be divert a crib, you know, adibia is ya no ni nyina be kegu. We are not ready to get people to come and model in the Jubilee House. We don't want makeup artists. We don't want TV Somalam for. We don't want galamseyers. We don't want white people have screwed their brains to come to the Jubilee House. We want right-thinking people. Yeah, I'm Jubilee House ko makeup. And your Jubilee House, the Oya Galamsey Cassia, and your Jubilee House, they are also running chance in 2000 or about the Arabi. What we are doing at the Flagstaff House is governing. Yatiara make milk by milk mill, Benum or Jubilee House. Sanko for your demonstration drama can wasem. So let's focus.
Okay.
The confidence is there. Maybe Ghana me Ghana for more. Ghana for the difference between NDC and the MPP. You guys are doing a great job. People are listening. The goodwill is there. I'll go back home to America. I'll continue my job. Nyame adom, the chain is off. I am saying on this platform, what is coming is bigger.
What is coming?
Oh yeah,
it's bigger.
Oh yeah. And the meeting Kaka say Ghana no, my NDC aboso. It is bigger. I am going to protect the president. I am going to protect the NDC. I am going to protect good governance. I'm going to keep the NDC in power for 42 years.
I don't know.
Onyankopon
42 years.
Wama me hume, wa bless me. Nobody can change that. 42 years. And sa. Ya chechira to so. Me nshia de snap eguso. Oya nhwe nyi. Na me do.
Ya dia kwesida ya also.
Chancha, ya dia kwesida eguso. Gigi. Meba kumase.
Kelvin.
Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Production team, Sebiga. Any guy behind Alaska. Alaska
no. Why a former musician no.
Hey, Alaska boy.
Oh, why a former musician.
Alaska for Akeba to smile.
Bra.
My lyrics back with me. Hey.
I say my kuni career.
Oh,
onto no ba ko njira mi a.
Ala.
Obaya ti enimo to ye. Mama kan yo Miss Alaska.
Alaska yes.
72 you wa ba ofre krasa abna no ofre ko wa.
Alaska o tro car mu ana so o tro studio. Ya pon ya Alaska pon. All right.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate this.
The lava also anyama team no super fantastic.
Yeah, I really appreciate.
Yes so that's it.
Thank you very much. My name is Kelvin Taylor. This is Radio Go 90.5 in collaboration with Loud Silence TV. We'll be back. We'll make sure the right things are done. We are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power.
Okay.
Gigim. Thank you very much.
Okay, so Kaibo Herbal Alternative Hospital. Afira air to us.
Entino Ezuzi ena abusuya mote nka no. Yebeda ono ne Ransford kwesi buachi ase ne mu omo enkoye. Womu eguso ewa rwanda enche na ese ombehwa boa na eye dwumadie no pampaso dwumadie no enso atimi atoa so ewa ha enti abusua yebede mu nyina ase ne mu no yene eye kaibuefo eba bedwetwe nkomo kakra na kaibuefo akache na ye kɔ no kaibue Herbal and Alternative Hospital pacho o timinka enne awie ya mesrewa kaibue Herbal and Alternative Hospital no ade anyarewa bebre na na wode wani kyerɛ hɔ a wɔn ɛbɛhwɛ aboa na wɔn ayi afi hɔ ɛde ama mesrew kaibue Herbal
Odofo na to say we nsem a ye Kelvin Taylor emre okopie mo ye Golden FM asem odi tu da no na me kra de sai me mama ne say eye Kelvin Taylor kro ya ye nyina ye wa hanom no bedru Ghana yesi yesi ne court to say e wo say ye che no na wo be kuma Kelvin Taylor kro ya sad the ye vice president ne fie na me de ensempo hon ma ye koso wo Ghana ha eye na menti ase obi amosi ne court afa ye de no sakopie mo vice president fie na chese Ghana ha de wunya sika ede na wunni sika soso a na me de tumi ni de mimi hu ni say enam se wo ye NDC ni no eno ti na oba ya o ma anye no hwe no senke bia nkokọ ye MPP ni a ka wo enuru airport kra na ke ye che no odofo ma metwe wa adwinsi bibi so eye chama wuntumi ye nyina nhwe sese Ghana ha ye ntini di mpo bi ye season the bank account nyina enam so ye MPP ni nti ene ye de se di no enti me hu ni se Ghana ha de se wa ban na wo so a utimi ye de wo pe bia enti se MPP fo on pe ba bi nhye sese di ye mamon kasa bi because wo de hwe ye be chew sese NDC fo aban na aba odofo ye da wase se wunya abre na wutie ye Mr. Man say adisrede mo be like mo be share mo be subscribe amaye eye GH Power TV